Hello everyone, it's cold out today, so let's make some peppermint hot chocolate. So what we have here is 1.5 cups of whole milk that we're going to put into our saucepan. And then we have half a cup of heavy cream or whipping cream, depending on what you call it, where you're from. And then we have 2 tablespoons of icing sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, a pinch of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of peppermint extract. Alright. And so I'll just give us a different angle and then we'll heat this up. Now that we've got everything in our pot, we're just going to whisk it and heat it on a medium until it's hot. I have tried tons and tons of hot chocolate recipes over my life, and this one's just so nice because it's so super easy. But if you are one of those people who like to make hot chocolate with chocolate chips and you find it doesn't come out smooth, or even cocoa powder, however you make hot chocolate, and you find out it doesn't come out perfectly smooth, my #1 hack is to immersion blend it afterwards. So after you make it all nice and hot and it's all clumpy and weird. This one for some reason came out great, but sometimes it gets all clumpy and it's no good. You immersion blend it and that all smooths out. So that is my #1 hack to make smooth, nice hot chocolate. But this one looks done, so I'll pour it in a cup and then we can try it. So now we get to the best part, which is toppings. So I like putting mini marshmallows on. I didn't have any, so I rough cut some large marshmallows, and so that is my favorite topping. But you can put whipped cream on it, you can put the peppermint mousse that I made last week on it. Whatever you feel like putting on it, you go for it. Candy canes, cocoa, just leave it plain, doesn't matter to me. And I am a super big weirdo, and I like to let all of the marshmallows melt and form a nice layer on it, and I drink it when it's just above lukewarm. I do not like hot chocolate. I like slightly above room temperature hot chocolate. So I will wait until it is lukewarm to try it. See you soon. And we're back. Now the hot chocolate is about lukewarm, so it's perfect for me. Super delicious and very rich and a little bit minty. I love it. So hopefully you have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye!